Hey guys, welcome to the second part of the playlist that is build Flutter app from scratch. Today we are designing the backend of Housie board. For the Housie board, we will need a random number generator. I have made a video on how to make a random number generator on my channel. You can tap on a button. Then we will be requiring a list of map that will include the number and a Boolean value. Then we will need to make a function that will keep record of that all 90 numbers bool value is turned to true, so that game will end. At last, if game finishes, user can restart, or he can restart in between, or else game ends. Now we will add flow to the design according to the needs. It is not necessary that you have to design backend on PC only. You can design it on paper also. We have to make a function that will check whether the number that came randomly and the number in list map has bool value false. If value is true, the function should call another number until the number we got do not have bool value true. If we get number with bool value false, the function that checks 90 numbers should be incremented by 1 until all 90 numbers value is true. At last, game ends. If user wants, he can restart game at end or in between the game. To restart game in middle, I am going to integrate an app drawer in my app design. You can see how designing backend before programming have given us design flaw before app testing. Designing backend according to your need is important to understand how our app is going to work. Now I have designed this backend according to my knowledge. It may be made in less functions too, but I don't know for now how to do it. While you want to make your app from scratch, it may be any app. You want to design its backend before,